Drowning in your Outlook inbox? Let's fix that. I tested 12 AI tools to see which ones actually make email faster. Hi, I'm Lauren, and if you've been searching for AI tools for Outlook, you're in the right place. I used to spend hours buried in my inbox. Not anymore. Let me share what I found and which AI tools actually save time instead of creating more. First up, Microsoft Copilot. If you already pay for Microsoft 365, you've got this AI for Outlook email sitting right there, waiting for you. Over 400 million people now have access to it. But what does it actually do? It summarizes those painfully long email threads in seconds. You know, the ones 15 people replying back and forth and you just need the bottom line? Copilot gives you that. It also drafts messages and helps you figure out which emails deserve your attention first. If you're already on Microsoft 365, personal or family, $9.99 a month for one person, $12.99 up to 6, Copilot's included. You're already paying for it, so you might as well use it. Next is Mailbutler. This one's for tracking tasks and keeping tabs on who's doing what. It works across Outlook, Gmail, and Apple Mail. Smart Compose, Smart Respond, Smart Summarize. Sure, those are helpful, but Task Finder is where Mailbutler really delivers. It scans your emails and pulls out action items automatically. No more digging through old threads trying to remember what you promised someone. Download the extension, log in, and done. 3 minutes tops. Starts at $7.95 a month for the professional plan. The Smart plan with full AI is $12.95. If you write emails all day, Grammarly is the AI plugin for Outlook you can't skip. It doesn't write for you, it fixes what you write. Grammar, mistakes, awkward phrasing, tone issues. Grammarly catches the stuff you miss when you're rushing. The premium version rewrites clunky sentences into clear, direct ones that actually get responses. Sign up, install it for Windows or Mac, and it integrates with everything. Outlook, Word, all of it. No separate add-ins for each program. The free tier gives you basic checks and 100 AI prompts a month. Pro is $12 monthly if you pay annually. You get 2,000 AI prompts and advanced suggestions. Now, all of these AI tools are great at helping you write and summarize emails, but they won't actually clean. Thousands of messages already there cluttering your inbox. And since this channel's from the team behind Clean Email, let me show you how we handle this inside the app. Clean Email is built to organize inbox chaos at scale. Instead of having you sort things, its smart folders automatically group related emails instantly, like all your ride-sharing receipts, food delivery orders, or streaming service updates, so you can archive them in bulk. It also has cleaning suggestions, which is just like what it sounds like. The app identifies mail users frequently clean up, like old notifications or messages you always delete, and gives you a single button to clear them all out. It also has many more tools to keep your inbox clean, such as the unsubscriber feature, which shows you all of your subscriptions in one place, and you can, in a few clicks, unsubscribe from thousands of senders. If you want to try it, there is a link in the description below for 15% off for our viewers. All right, let's jump to the next one. MailMaestro does AI drafting, follow-up tracking, and smart labeling from Outlook sidebar. No switching tabs. Magic Templates is the standout feature. You can make templates for emails you send all the time, and the AI customizes each one for the specific person and situation. It also spots action items and deadlines automatically, so you don't miss follow-ups. Install it from Microsoft's add-in store. Takes about 3 minutes. Free plans gives you 3 email credits a week. Professional is $15 a month for unlimited emails. Enterprise has custom pricing with extra security if you're in customer service. EmailTree.ai-powered reply generator is an Outlook AI assistant you need to know about. It reads incoming emails and suggests replies in seconds. There's a confidence score 0 to 100%, so you know how good the suggestion is before you send it. For routine stuff like shipping, questions, returns, or account issues, it can automate the whole thing, hours to seconds. Create an EmailTree.ai account, install the add-in from Microsoft Store, start at $120 a month for 300 conversations. More languages and automation come with higher ties. RightNow AI is a simple and fast AI email writer for Outlook that gets out of your way. Turn bullet points into full emails. Keep your messaging consistent with business profiles. It also handles product descriptions, Google ad, copy, SEO content, all from Outlook. Sign up, install the plugin, and start writing. Free basic plan gives you 1,000 words a month. Essentials is $11.95 monthly for 20,000 words. Business is $17.95 for 40,000. OfficeAI for Outlook uses a token system teams can share across Microsoft Office. Set it up through Microsoft App Source. It does basic email tasks, drafts standard messages, and generates replies. The output's decent, but you can switch to a better AI model if you want higher quality. Starts at $10 a month with a $10 credit. Credits expire monthly, so use them or lose them. EM Client is a desktop email app with AI Compose built in. It also offers lifetime licensing, which is rare. Download it for Windows or Mac OS. It configures Outlook automatically. You can import everything from Outlook, Thunderbird, other clients, folders, rules, categories, all of it stays intact. AI Compose writes emails in your style across all connected accounts. Free license covers 2 accounts. Pro is $49.95 one time for unlimited accounts. Boomerang for Outlook handles timing when to send, when to follow up, and when to nudge someone who hasn't replied. Respondable gives you real-time writing tips based on millions of emails. Boomerang analyzes receipt behavior and tells you the best time to send. It also reminds you if someone doesn't reply within a set time frame. Nothing slips through. It's a one-click install from Microsoft's App Source. The free basic plan gives you 10 message credits monthly. Personal is $4.99 a month annually. Pro is $14.99 for full features. Spark Mail has 17.5 million users and Apple Editor's Choice Award. Their Spark plus AI has 3 modes. Compose generates emails from a few words. Reply gives you instant AI options. Edit tweaks tone, fixes grammar, expands, or condenses what you've written. Download it for iOS, Android, Mac OS, or Windows. It auto-detects Outlook.com, Exchange, Gmail, and iCloud. The free plan includes Smart Inbox and Limited AI. Premium Individual is $4.99 monthly. Annual Premium Team starts at $6.99 per user. Bonus, Missive is AI automation plus shared inboxes for teams moving fast. It's not an Outlook add-on, it's an email client that connects to Outlook Microsoft 365. Team collaboration, AI writing, smart rules for automating tags, assignments, archives, templated replies. AI rules automate based on sender, subject, and keyword. The AI writing assistant is built into the editor. Summarize, rewrite, translate all without leaving the email. Sign up through their site and connect to Outlook. You need your own OpenAI API key for AI. Free for up to 3 users within a 15-day history. Paid plans annually. Starter is $14 per user. Productive is $24 with AI. Business is $36 with analytics and advanced controls. And don't sleep on what Outlook gives you already. Smart Compose predicts what you're typing and speeds up repetitive emails. Focused Inbox learns what matters to you and filters the rest. Voice commands and dictation turn speech into text across tons of languages. Language translation handles over 100 languages right inside Outlook. These won't replace premium tools, but they're solid and already built in. Here's what I learned after testing all of these. The best AI tools for Outlook work together. Start by getting your inbox organized, then add the special AI that fits what you do. If you write a lot, Grammarly or MailMaestro. Customer service, emailtree.ai. Already using Microsoft 365? Copilot's right there. Your inbox doesn't have to run your life. The right AI help with the email gives you back your time. And if you're looking for the best way to organize your email before implementing these tools, you should try Clean Email.